Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie with puff pastry. This delightful dessert is surprisingly simple and uses readily available ingredients. We'll start by ensuring our puff pastry is thawed and ready to use. Then, we'll prepare a delicious apple filling with just a few key spices. Finally, we'll assemble and bake a beautiful, flaky pie that's perfect for any occasion. Now, let's create that irresistible apple filling. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Once melted, add your 3 to 4 prepared apples, which should be peeled, cored, and thinly sliced. Stir in 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Cook this mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the apples are tender and beautifully caramelized. Remember to let the filling cool slightly before the next step. With your delicious apple filling cooled, it's time to assemble our pie. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lay 1 sheet of thawed puff pastry onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Carefully spoon the cooled apple filling onto the center of the pastry, ensuring you leave about a 1-inch border around the edges. Now, gently place the second puff pastry sheet over the filling. Pinch and seal the edges firmly. Then make 3 small slits in the top for steam to escape. The final steps bring your pie to golden perfection. In a small bowl, whisk 1 egg to create an egg wash. Using a pastry brush, generously coat the top of your assembled pie with this egg wash. It helps achieve that beautiful golden crust. Next, sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of coarse sugar evenly over the top for added texture and sweetness. Bake your pie in the preheated oven for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until it's wonderfully puffed and golden brown. Let it cool for at least 10 minutes before slicing and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.